Hello, this is Project 2 Commerce for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. These are my specification elements that I should meet. Firstly, models. I'm supposed to have at least 3 of them. I have 4 besides the user table, the user class. Creating a list. Okay, I'll create an account for a showcase. I'll just name it showcase. Test. Yeah, there you have it. I can create a listing and there an active listings page. We just saw that. This is the list page. You can see the comments. I'll place a bid. Yep, I get a alert saying I placed my bid. I'm going to place a couple more. You can see the initial bid can be the same price as the starting bid. What else? Okay. I'm going to add this Apple Watch to my, watch list. Pretty creative. Add a comment. What else? I'm going to add a couple more products to my watch list. This finance book set. We have categories up next, and home, toys, and fashion. And books. Okay, that's for the categories. Before I show the admin interface, I'm going to win a bid. Okay, let's see. This Apple Watch was posted by Jason. I'm going to log into Jason's account and close the auction for the Apple Watch. Going back into the showcase account, in my watch list, I should see that, yep, the auction is closed and I won the auction. Okay, let's check the admin interface, which should allow me to modify the database with a graphical interface instead of the usual manage.py shell terminal commands. I'm going to add an exclamation to this comment. One more exclamation. 2 better than 1. And let me actually go ahead and delete the showcase. Account. You can see it also cascades and deletes all the other, every bid and comment made by the showcase account. Okay, that should be everything.